Mabuhay everyone, mabuhay sir. As you can see, ang malagal ang amo ng floor plan, no? Na, which is makita nyo ang ilugan sa amon na establishment. Which, may ara man, makita nyo man na ang amon na outside na view or ang outdoor view naman. Which is party gara, may party space sa unahan, ang entrance namon, and may mga gagmay man na mga umbrellas which is makalugar sa aesthetic sa amon na palibot. Then may mga plants kami for more aesthetic looking sa amon na space. So in the left side, may makita mo alagyan or hallway paadto sa amon na exit. Tapos may ara mo kami mga umbrellas which is may table and chairs man sa dalaw lang. Kung gusto sa customer na mag-outdoor looking or makakita sa mga malagay na mga views, pwede sila maka-stay sa buwa. Maka-accommodate man kami. So, maadto ita sa amon na floor plan, no? This is some details of our floor plan. So, as you can see, the diameter of our floor plan is 20 by 15. So, bali mga 300 square meters siya. Ang diameter naman sa amon na establishment is 15 by 13. 15 ang iyang width, 13 ang iyang length. So, sa spacing sa amon na tables in dining area, we have spacing towards 1 meter and 2.5 meters. Spacing naman sa table paadto sa wall is about 1 meters and may iban man na ara man paadto sa 2 meters and 1.5 meters. So as you can see, may stairs kami nila, may mga plants and may gagmay tables that maka-accommodate sa families and partners as well. So, ang kalabaon ang diameter sa amon na kitchen is about 5 by 7 meters. Doon siya nakabutang is ang amon na counter which is nakaka-order ang mga customer na kitchen and grilling station. May ara kami sink kung ilagay panghugas sa mga dishes. May storage room, may storage area. Pag may stair mo kami paadto sa baba sa second floor. So, dito sa dining area is may makita ang mga stair na paadto sa second floor. Sa likod sa stair is may ara kami table which is our space sa isa ka couch is 2 meters. So, sa likod sa couch, may magand na table na gamay. And may spacing na 1 meter towards sa table. So, overall is, may CR kami, may door sa likod. May door kami sa piling sa entrance. So, ang entrance naman is 4 meters ang diameter o kalabaon niya. Tapos, ang CR naman is equivalent to 3 meters, which is kada room is 1.5 meters. So, hindi naman siguro tama ang itin, sir. Ang sa standard sa isa ka CR. So, simple lang, but as you can see, ang amon na floor plan is quite ergonomics man siguro. So, ang ratio gali sa amon na floor plan, sir, is 1 centimeter is equivalent to 1 meter. Ang scale naman is 1:100. So, ang height sa amon na establishment is approximately 6 meters. So, wala ka na lalabot sa likod ng mga floor. So, bali overall tanan is 12 meters ang height, 2-story building. Ang second floor, sir, is i-report ni Silay Apalahe.
For the second floor measurement, the length of the whole establishment is 15 meters and for the width of the establishment is 13 meters. For the stage performance is 4 by 6 meters and for the height of the establishment is 12 meters. Open selling, the length is 9 meters and the height 12 meters. And for the bathroom, have a 2-meter space and for the hand wash, have 3.5 meter space and for the whole space, have 5 meters. And for the dining area, have a 2-meter space in each table. And for the single table area, have a 8-meter space and 1-meter space in each table. For the entrance stairs, have 3-meter space.
For our risk assessment plan, job title, front desk and cashier. For our task, processing payments. Example kung ang customer gusto niya sa GCash or other payments methods. Is answering inquiries. Kung ang customer ga pamangkot, you need to say something back to them or assist them. Managing reservations and others like ma-offer ka online booking. For our potential hazards, they are stress or fatigue, robbery or fraud, fatigue, long period of standing, and stress or fatigue. For our control measures, ensuring the payment counter is at a comfortable height, implement crime prevented through environment design or CPTED. Stand with a straight back to avoid strain. Desk at the right height for comfort. And keep the computer screen at eye level.
So, waiter, task, taking orders. Siyempre, kung waiter ka, ang isa gid sa mga task mo is magkuha sang order sang customers and also to secure nga may mapumpuan sila. So, potential hazards, slips. So, kung waiter ka, if magkuha ka sang order sa kitchen or even sa counter, hindi gid malikawan nga madanlog or may maula or basa ang salog. So, na may posibilidad nga pwede ka gid madanlog. So, para makontrol ang slips, so we need to clean spills immediately. So, kinahanglan gina siya limpyuhan para hindi na madanlog or may madanlog pa nga mga customers kag staff. Next is trains. Control measures. Maintain good posture. Use of lightweight notepad to reduce waist strain. So, kung waiter ka, ang imong ginabitbit is tray para magkuha sang order. So, kinahanglan nga para hindi magsakit ang mga likod mo or ang kalawasan mo, you need to maintain your good posture para nami man lang tawon sa guest mag-welcome ikaw, and then kinahanglan ng ang gamiton mo nga pangkuha sang order is gamay lang nga notepad para hindi siya bugat kag hindi ka mabudlayan. So, potential hazard is slips and strain. Saman siya gyapon. And then, control measures. Clean spills immediately. Use of a tray with handles or trolley to reduce strains. So, para makugaginaban, para iwasan ang slips kag strain, limpyuhan gid dayon ang maula or ang basa nga floor para hindi may madanlog. So, use of a tray with the handles or trolley to reduce strains. So para iwas man sakit sa kamot, kabit-bit sang tray, mas better nga may trolley. Is following safety and hygiene rules. Potential hazard is slips and chemical exposure. Control measurements, wear of slip resistant shoes. So if waiter ka, pag nagabalik-balik ka pa sa kitchen, pakag sa customers, kinahanglan ang shoes mo gamiton is damol ang spike para iwas ka sa danlog. Wash hands frequently and regularly clean the tables and chairs. So para mag-iwas sa chemical exposure, kinahanglan hugasan gid permi ang kamot. Pag kinahanglan limpihan permi ang tables kung maghalin ang customer, so para gamit ang bagong customers is clean na and safe. So next is cooks. So task is cooking, syempre tagaluto. So potential hazard is burns, cuts, slips, stress or fatigue. So kung nagaluto ka, hindi gid malikawan nga masunog ang kamot mo. I mean sunugan or mapilasan ka magkihad sa mga ingredients or anything, and then ma-stress ka kay syempre di gid permi malikawan kung damo ang customers, damo lulutuon, magaka-pressure ka, so gaka-stress ka man. And then fatigue kay di permi man kalayong atubang mo. So control measures, training on proper usage, clean spills immediately, ensure work surface are at the right height. So para makontrol ang mga sa tong potential hazard nga burn, cut, slip, stress or fatigue, ang kinahanglan sang training maayo, tapos nang limpyuhan ang mga salog or ang palibot para safe ang pagbalik-balik sa obra sang or pagluto. And then dapat ang imong ginaobrahan is ng comfortable ikaw. So next is following safety and hygiene rules. Potential hazards, chemical exposure, control measures, regularly clean counter, wash hands frequently. So same man gyapon sa waiter, you need to clean your hands, your hands frequently kay para nang magluto ka, so tindo man ang ginaluto mo kag para mag-clean ka man sa counter para kung magurot ka sa mga lulutuon mo, matindo man kag para mag-serve mo sa customer is manamit and safe. That's all.
Job title, dishwasher. For the task is washing dishes and utensil. For potential hazard, repetitive strain injuries, slips, and cuts. For control measure, keep the dishes organized, position the dishwasher at comfortable height, clean the floor immediately when there is a splash, and separate sharp objects. For the janitor and cleaner naman, task, clean floor, tables, and surface. Handling chemical safety. For potential hazard, slips and falls, and chemical hazard. For measurement, clean the floor immediately when there is a splash. Use PPE or personal protective equipment to protect individual from workplace and to prevent spread of infections.
So ang muna ang overall sa amon floor plan, sir, no? Salamat din sa pagpamati and God bless. Mabuhay everyone.